Hello, this is Duncan here. Quick video, MGB collapsible steering column. Later models, but this is for a 74 MGB GT V8. Taking lots of advice from all those great folks at the V8 register, and the route I opted to take with the collapsible steering column was to drill out the roll pin that was in there already and put in a new one. I used a 3/32 roll pin, and now I'm going to go old school and use the hot glue gun to heat up this whole area. Put some aluminium foil underneath it to block the holes on the other side, and use a hot glue gun and squirt glue into there. I'm actually going to put some aluminium foil and stuff it in just over the hole at the other side, just to stop all the glue just pouring out the other side, because I want to know when it's full. So wish me luck, this should be a laugh. Who knew that using hot glue holds your steering column together? Fantastic. Okay, more to come. Check it out. See you in a minute.
Bubble coming up. Can you?
All right. Yeah.
Oh, it's broke up. There's a bubble that went up already, so I'm guessing it's pretty full. Let's just see. No, still.
Tools that were used: one little propane burner, normally used for plumbing and soldering pipes. One hot glue gun, used for various crafts. Some aluminium foil, none of this aluminum North American rubbish, it's aluminium, just to catch some stuff, and I use it to plug some holes as well. And this is now essentially just cooling down. So method was hold it at an angle there, heat it up with the propane, drip the glue into there. The heat of the heated up pipe then keeps the glue liquid inside, so it kind of flows down, and when you see a couple of drips coming out the holes at the other side, you know you're in good shape. And then angle it a little bit that way and repeat. You don't necessarily get the drips coming out all the time, but anyway. So I did all that, and then flipped it over, and then plugged the other side and put a few extra drips in there, and generally just poked it in with a small nail, just in case there was any air bubbles in there. But this looks pretty damn solid. Pretty happy with that.